Click on Billing and Payment once you have logged in, and then move to your left menu to create a new invoice. Once you click on New Invoice under Customer Invoices, select the third party, the person who you want to create an invoice for. For example, I'm creating an invoice for Masin Demo. And then I move down on which date was this invoice meant to be. If it was for today, click on Now where the mouse is. If it was for last year, click on the small box that is a calendar which is just next to Now. And then change the dates to 2023 and choose the month and then choose the day. Once you're done with that, select the type of payment they usually make. For example, if it is cash, choose cash. And where will that money be kept in? For example, it will be kept in KCB Bank, or if it's a cash account. In this case, I'll choose KCB account. But when they pay, that's when you get to decide, you get to place where the amount went to. For now, this is just temporary. We move down and click on Create Draft. Once you have created draft, I want you to follow the mouse all the way down to where it is written Predefined Products, Services to Sell. Next to it, right here, click, and then at the top of the search point, look for what you want. In this case, I'll type kitchen sink bowl. And then I will choose the one I wanted, which is this one. I will check the amount is in inclusive of tax, which is 5,000 shillings, and I actually delivered 2 of them. So I will change that to 2 and I will click on Add. If I look at the top, I'll be able to see that this amount is 10,000 shillings, which is remaining unpaid. It has not been paid. So I want to create an invoice for this amount. If you want to add an item on the invoice, simply go back to Predefined Products, Services to Sell, click and find your second product. In this case, I will choose this one, which is 1,700 shillings. If I want to change it to 1,600 shillings, I can change that figure right here, and I delivered 3 pieces. I click on Add. You will realize that the amount will change to now 14,800 shillings. Now I want to be able to create this invoice. Well, the first thing I will do is click on Validate. And it's going to ask me, where am I picking these documents, these products from? In this case, it is from the TechFin Enterprise warehouse. You could have different types of warehouses. One for your back office, that is your store, and the one at your shop. So I will choose COE and click on Yes. At this point, your products will have been delayed, will reduce. Now, if you go to the top, you'll find Not Paid. But at the same time, as you move, just follow the mouse. Keep following the mouse and move all the way down. You will find something called Generate next to Doc Template. Click on Generate, and that's how you get your invoice. Again, follow the mouse, scroll down all the way to your left, and you will find a document there. The name will change, but at the end it has to have .pdf. When you click on it like this, it will be downloaded, and you will find it up here in the downloads. Once you click on it, let's wait for it to open up. And there you go. So you will have the details about the invoice on the right hand side, and you will have your logo company on the left hand side. The invoice will show where it is coming from and to whom it is going to. Now your invoice will not have this information because this particular document, this particular system was meant for someone in a hospital. So yours will not have all this information. At the bottom you'll have a description of all the products, the unit price, the quantity, and the subtotal. At the bottom you'll have payment terms, which is due upon receipt, and the payment method is cash. It'll also show you the total amount. So this is how you create an invoice. With this invoice you can choose to print it. Like here you can see we have the icon for printing, or you can simply save it, and once you save it you can put it in a flash disk and then send it by email. Or better yet, once you download it, once you click on print, you can print it and put it in an envelope and deliver it. That is how you create an invoice. Thank you for watching.